Now be honest with me. Am I the only one that will pretty much buy anything that Jacqueline makes? Or does a collab on? Because I'm pretty sure that it doesn't matter what she does. I'm like, yes, queen, take all my money. It doesn't matter what she does. I want it all the time, 24/7. I'll take it. Yes, please. Today's video is going to be about March's Ipsy bag, which is this guy right here. And if you look closely, you can see it's like all these people. Supposedly, they give you little markers and you can color them and have fun. I am also going to do this month's video like how I did last month's, try-on style. I thought it was a lot of fun, so I'm gonna do it again this month. And as you can see, I have nothing on my face like I did last time, and that's because I am going to use this primer face mask that I got, I believe it was last month's bag, and I still haven't used it. And I figured, you know what? Now would be the best time. So let's jump right into it. This is the BioBell 5-minute facial mask. It says it has tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C. It enhances radiance, minimizes pores, and evens skin tone. Hashtag primer. And it says it's going to prep the skin for a flawless makeup application. All right, start with clean, dry skin. That's what's happening. Remove the sheet mask from the package. Either side may be gently applied to the face. Smooth with fingers so that it may adapt perfectly. Leave on the mask for 5 minutes. Peel off the mask, rinse, then proceed to apply your makeup. So, let's do this. Holy cow, there's a lot of moisture on this thing. Whew, okay. It has like these little like heart design things on it. You guys, this has so much moisture on it. Super slimy. So, this is the mask. Look how cute. I'm not used to doing this without a mirror.
You guys, I'm seriously struggling.
This smells super good. Hey Siri, set timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
Sorry, I'm looking at my computer because that's like the only form of mirror that I have at the moment. So, I'm just gonna smooth that all over my face, run it down my neck. Okay, now we're gonna peel this off. Whew. I'm gonna go rinse my face and I will be right back. Okay, and as you can see, I rinsed off my face because, you know, my shirt's all wet. My skin feels kind of, I don't know, at the moment it feels a little dry. I am gonna go apply my base makeup and all of that stuff because I don't have any in this month's Ipsy bag, except for one. So I'm gonna go do that and I will be right back. Actually, I lied. I have 2 products, but one that I'm gonna use first is this Glossier, I'm pretty sure it's pronounced that, coconutbalm.com. So I am going to apply this to my lips. It's really thick and feels really moisturizing, and it actually smells pretty good. Now I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. Okay, I'm back, and I am going to jump in with the Tarte Sex Kitten. This is a sample size of the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, that is. I'm gonna put this on my waterline, maybe. So, there we go. That's better. That look good? Every time I do this, because it like tickles. Hi! What's up? Next, I am going to use this incredibly adorable brush. I don't know why I said it like that. Brush that I got in this month's. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. And the jewels right here. Come on. It's so cute. Now this is a SL Miss Glam. I'm pretty sure. This is an SL41 blusher brush. And I'm going to use that with my Dirty Little Secrets Baked Highlighter. And I have the shade Bellini. Look how pretty that is. Super pretty. Now this says it's a highlighter, but it looks like a very pigmented pink. Do you need help? Hi. Okay, well, she's about to jump. Hold, please. Give her a second. Or maybe she might just sit there. I don't know. There she goes. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and kind of apply it on the tops of my cheekbones as a highlight and kind of see what happens. Because it looks more like one of those, like the blushy type highlights where they kind of are used as both. So we're just gonna... Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, that's very pink. I'm gonna have to maybe blend this in with another one of my... I'm kind of blending it into my face, kind of like I would with my blush, because the line is kind of hard. I don't know if you can see. It's very pretty, but it's a little bit too pink, so I'm gonna have to... Now this brush is super soft and it feels great on the face, and I've never heard of this brand before, but I would have to say that getting brushes is probably one of my all-time favorite things to receive in my bag. Okay, so I like this, but I am definitely gonna have to use it more, maybe like on top of a blush, unless I'm going for a good Halloween tutorial and I'm doing something like Barbie-ish or maybe a monochromatic, something to that effect. Now I'm gonna grab my Jaclyn Hill and Becca face palette, mix a little bit of these two on top of the highlight. I'm gonna use the same brush for the blush. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit. I don't wanna grab too much. We top off the excess. I wish you guys could see her right now. I have these shelving units. This right here is the top row and it stops right there. Hi! And I'm just gonna mix a little bit of Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop and just apply that on top. And then we're gonna apply this down the center of the face as per usual. What? Okay. Do you want down? Hi. Hi. You say hi? Okay, good. Oh. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me work with you. Oh, look how pretty you are. You're so pretty. Oh, pretty girl. You're so pretty. Next up would be this, which I have to look on Ipsy.com because I can't read it. Oh, I sort of can. It's in this really pretty gold packaging, and then on the lid it says Contour. Now, this is Contour Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure, I don't know which, oh, number 3. I have this shade Stud. Let me, ooh, I don't know, but it does look kind of warm toned. That makes me nervous. Oh, I hope this shade is not bad on me. You know, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this color. Kill me! Stop! Okay. No. This is a very, it's very pretty. It's a very orangey red. I don't know. I'm not loving this. This looks like a shade that would be really pretty on my mom. I may let her try this out and see what she thinks. But for me, this is a no-go. Let me go change out this lip. I need something else. Let's try Buttercup, which is a collab between Gerard Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill. Okay, now I am going to take down my hair, change my outfit, and I will be back to finish the video. Alright, so this is the look. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this version of the Ipsy monthly unboxings. I would love it if you guys could hit the thumbs up if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye!